Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope it's all doing good. Hope it's all doing fine. So today we're having some noodles and chicken meatballs. Chicken balls. Them ones what you get from the likes of the pound shop and that. These are the chicken ones. I'll put some raw onion on top and some cheese. That's how it's all stuck together. We're just gonna move it about, shake it all about, do the hokey cokey and turn around. So how is all doing, guys? Just some quick video. The hot weather's coming, guys. The hot weather's coming. I never thought I'd ever see that. Just having something quick before I go to work. I'm ready from here. I'm ready down there. I just need to change my top. Yep. It's nice having a bit of onion. It gives it a little bit of a different taste. Because you wouldn't like usually put crispy onions on, but I haven't got any of them. So raw onions it is. I was talking to the lad from work, and you see he doesn't like cooked onions either. Prefers them raw. It's weird how some people are like that, isn't it? I think it's just a preference, isn't it? It's like gherkins. I like gherkins in my burgers, but I can't eat them on their own. Like, you know how some people buy jars of them and eat them? I can't do that. I don't know why. But I love them in my burgers. And I usually ask for extra gherkins on my burgers. Whereas Lewis, he never used to like gherkins, but now he's trying to force his, like, not force himself. He does have them now, whereas as a child, I used to take them out and eat them. Ah, what was that saying? Can't remember now. Oh, he has gherkins on his burgers now, but when he was a child, I used to take them out and eat them myself. And he has a funny one for him. He doesn't like tomatoes, like a lot of tomatoes, like on his food. No, like cut up tomatoes, not the cooking sauce. But he loves like tomato sauce, tomato paste. But he doesn't like the cut up tomatoes. I'm like, they're the same, and it's not. I'm like, it is. But then that's me saying about the onions. It is. It's like it's the same. It's like it's not. Cooked onions are like slimy, and it's the same with asparagus. I didn't like the texture of it, but I would probably eat it raw. You can't eat them raw, can you? Of course you can. The England have them. Like those who don't cook the veg, they eat them raw. So I'm assuming you can eat them raw. I mean, if rabbits can eat them, mine can't. No, I'm. Last bowl. That is my done. All nice and full for work. Time to burn off this energy. Know what I mean? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Right, guys, I'm gonna skedaddle off. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. If you like this type of content, please press like, subscribe, and I will see you on the other side. Bye bye.